My name is Tyson. I'm here at Bayird RV and Outdoor in Mountain Home, Arkansas. We had a few problems with Google. Our address wasn't We had a few problems with Google. Our address wasn't verified. We had customers showing up to the wrong address that was across the street. We just couldn't find a way around it. We called John with Mountain Home Marketing. He got us verified with Google, solidified our address, and now we are showing the correct address on Google. He did 3D photography, he did drone photography, drone videos to help our marketing. It looks great. So if you need any help with Google analytics and advertising, please call John at Mountain Home Marketing. You want to do one more just
Sure.
try it?
Absolutely. And are you related to Keith? You're a son?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mention that.
Okay.
Yeah.
My name is Tyson. I'm here from Bayird RV and Outdoor in Mountain Home, Arkansas. My dad, oh gosh, you threw me off track with that.
That's okay. Just go ahead. You roll. I'll just keep filming and then I'll edit it all out, so it'll work out.
I'm trying to word it better as far as the locations, our location services, and our
Well, people are going to our old location in Henderson.
Okay, right.
We're now.
We relocated.
So you're marketing yourself too.
Right.
We're now
Yes.
just a couple blocks from Walmart.
Okay.
And that type of thing.
My name is Tyson. I'm here at Bayird RV and Outdoor in Henderson, Mountain Home, Arkansas. We just relocated, built a brand new facility. We had some location services with our Google.
Hold on. You mentioned you were in Henderson.
Yeah, that's right. I noticed as I was like, okay, all right.
We're Bayird RV. We used to be in Henderson.
Right.
We're now here. We were having a problem.
Right.
Talk about the problem.
My name is Tyson Bayird here with Bayird RV and Outdoor in Mountain Home, Arkansas. We have relocated where we used to be in Henderson. We're now just a few blocks away from Walmart in the middle of town. We had some location services on our Google account. We had customers showing up to our old location in Henderson. Called up John at Mountain Home Marketing. He fixed our location services with Google. We now are showing the correct address. He did some photography, some drone footage, helped out our marketing, great footage. John, thank you so much for everything you did. If you have a problem at all, please call Mountain Home Marketing.
Awesome. Now, he said location services. That doesn't mean anything. I was going to say our location was showing up incorrectly.
Okay.
In Google, and people were going, yeah. So,
okay.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, hold on.
Are we? You want me to just do that part or redo the whole thing? I can.
Yeah, just if you can redo the whole thing.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Okay.
My name is Tyson with Bayird RV, Outdoor and Marine here in Mountain Home, Arkansas. We have just relocated from our old location in Henderson. Now we're just a few blocks away from. My name is Tyson from Bayird RV, Outdoor and Marine in Mountain Home, Arkansas. We have just relocated from our old facility in Henderson. We just built a brand new one, just a few blocks down from Walmart in the beginning of Mountain Home. So you don't want me to say location services? You want me to say we are
Just say we tried to get our Google listing verified,
Okay.
but we were having problems.
Okay.
People kept going to the old location,
Okay.
couldn't find us.
Okay. Dion. My name is Tyson with Bayird RV, Outdoor and Marine in Mountain Home, Arkansas. We have just moved from our old location in Henderson. Now we're just a few blocks away from Walmart in Mountain Home. We had problems. We had customers going to our old location in Henderson. We couldn't get our address. Dang it.
We couldn't get our address verified on Google.
Okay, all right. We couldn't get our address verified on Google. Called John at Mountain Home Marketing. He fixed it for us. It's perfect. Location, My name is Tyson with Bayird RV, Outdoor Marine in Mountain Home, Arkansas. We just transferred from our own location. We built a brand new location just right at the beginning of town in Mountain Home. We couldn't get our location verified with Google. We called John at Mountain Home Marketing. He fixed us right up, did great photography, great drone footage for our advertisement. If you have any problems at all with anything like that, please call John at Mountain Home Marketing.
Awesome.